Hey, hi, hello all. This is Avinash. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Last Minute Engineering. In this video, I shall try to explain a very important concept today. One of the greatest confusion for most of the data science enthusiasts before they begin with the course of learning is to understand what is the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science. As these terms have been given too much of hype in the educational forum and the social media stereotypes, I shall try to explain the difference among these in a very short period of time. Before I move to the slides further, containing the exact explanation and the terminologies, I shall use a very simple Venn diagram to depict what exactly artificial intelligence looks like, and then followed by machine learning, deep learning, and data science. So just let me use a paint pad. Okay, so let me just draw a circle. Let me choose this color. Okay, so if this is an AI, if I say this is artificial intelligence, then I must say that it's the broadest area that enables computers to learn. It enables computer to learn. And it's fairly very old concept, and there has been a several stages of artificial intelligence since I think early 1950s. And of course, it has its own ups and downs. Today, we have some of the fastest computers the world has ever seen, and the algorithm implementations has improved so much that I must say we can run them on commodity hardware. Even your laptop or a smartphone that you are using to view this video right now is an example of artificial intelligence. But what exactly this artificial intelligence is? Artificial intelligence is nothing but is an ability that can be imparted to the computers, which enables these machines that enable these machines to understand data, learn from the data, and make decisions based on the patterns hidden in the data. Or we can say the implications that could otherwise be very much difficult for the humans like us to make it manually. So this is what, if I say in the broader concept, if this is an ocean, then this ocean is nothing but our artificial intelligence. So now let me show you what machine learning is. Let me use another circle and a different color, maybe a green this time. So if I say this is, if I say this is my artificial intelligence, let me use this brush. So now this is machine learning. So machine learning is a sub area in this bigger circle. Machine learning is basically a bunch of statistical tools. Please forgive me, my handwriting is too bad. Machine learning is basically a bunch of statistical tools to learn from the data. And of course, we must remember machine learning is a subset of AI. That means it's a part of artificial intelligence. So now, the third one which comes, that is our deep learning. So now, let me use a third color for this circle. This is somewhere we can say that this is our deep learning. So now, the third one, which we will discuss, is deep learning, which came into picture since 2006. See, even though machine learning is super powerful for most of the applications, there are situations where machine learning leaves a lot to be desired. And that exactly is where deep learning comes into picture. In layman terms, we can say that if your training data set is relatively small, you go with machine learning. But if you have a huge amount of data on which you can train a model, and also if the data has too many features and if accuracy is super important, we always skip deep learning route in these cases. You might have heard of the TensorFlow, which is a neural network that Google is widely using and pushing to developers these days, right? Well, that's using deep learning, as a neural network is a kind of a deep learning model. The self-driving car, that I think probably have we have seen since last couple of years, they are self-driving because of just one reason, that is deep learning. there are many such applications of deep learning in the modern world that kind of behind the scenes we are seeing in our day-to-day life. For example, the entertainment services for our Netflix, they are using deep learning extensively to improve their recommendations for you, and then also to decide on the based on the user engagement, which shows are worth continuing production, and which shows needs to be removed as if they might be wasting our time or money. So the most of the advancements that have been in artificial intelligence, it is all in deep learning. So now you must be wondering then what data science is. Now let me use another circle of another color to exactly depict what our data science is. So this is our data science. Data science is completely a different area, and that is intersection of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Well, it does not intersect any of the ports of the deep learning though. So data science is all about understanding and making sense of data. So visualizing data is very important aspect of data science. So overall, they can summarize saying that this is how exactly the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science looks like. Meaning, artificial intelligence, if it is being the ocean, then a part of the sub area is our machine learning, and the sub area for the machine learning is something called as deep learning. And when we see an intersection of both artificial intelligence, machine learning, and then we see something called as data science. Hope you like my video. Thank you.